If a financial company does not invest in oil and gas, it can no longer do business with the state of Texas. It's a law that passed during the last legislative session, and it targets companies who the state defines as boycotting oil and gas, even though some suggest it is little more than playing politics in an election year. Oil and gas are a financial pillar in Texas. Upwards of 200,000 Texans make their living in the industry. And the Republican-led legislature passed a law to help protect those jobs and that part of the energy industry.
This law was a way for Texas Republicans to show that they were on the side of the oil and natural gas industry, which is one of Texas's most important industries.
The law prevents any state entity, including pension funds, from doing business with a financial firm or bank that boycotts oil and gas. More specifically, it targets companies that practice what's known as ESG, environmental and social governance, a process of screening investments based on corporate policies and encouraging companies to act responsibly. Glenn Hagar is the state comptroller, effectively the chief financial officer.
We have a substantial trend of essentially not investing in the oil and gas industry. As everyone knows, of listeners in the Houston area, that is an important part of not just the Houston economy, the Texas economy, and really the global economy.
So his office came up with a list which right now includes 10 companies no longer allowed to do business with the state.
My view is it's political pandering.
Katie Maynard is the CEO of Ally Energy.
The government has no role in this, particularly the state government, and particularly in our state where energy and all energy matters. So fossil fuels matter for the state economy, and so do renewables, and Texas leads the way.
And while the state does make exceptions if the move would unnecessarily harm an agency or pension, the head of the Texas branch of the American Federation of Teachers doesn't like the trend.
This short-term thinking is really quite concerning for the retirees, for the people that depend on the retirement systems to make the best fiduciary decisions.
Hagar defends the practice as critical to Texas's future.
If you don't invest in oil and gas, a lot of the fabric, the basic parts of the daily lives that we operate on, regardless of the industry that you work in and work for, really those things deteriorate.
Now, the list is fluid. It can change as frequently as every quarter, and we do expect more discussion about the issue in the next session, which begins in January.